you back pretty good.
Yeah, that's just in fourth.
Totally. That supercharger whine.
With before the intake, you could hardly hear it. Now with the intake, you can really hear the supercharger.
Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. Just spins second, fourth. That's crazy. Tires must cost some money after a while.
Yeah, this is the second set this summer.
Oh, really?